We are in Lake Forest College at Arthur Somerville Reid Memorial Library. And we've got a pretty neat old elevator in here. Even the vestibule is beautiful. It was built in 1899. Some people are playing piano in here. And here's the elevator. It's pretty tiny. All right, well, before we go anywhere, let's get a look at the cab. Pretty small. It's a Sedgwick. Capacity is only 700 pounds. All right, let's go down. Pretty cool. All right, let's go back up. Inland buttons in here. Pretty neat. Here's the certificate. I don't think I showed that yet. And let's get a view from the ground. This thing's really tiny. There we go. Prop the phone up. All right. Yeah, I don't know if you can see my head, but it's like literally just a couple inches of clearance between my head and the ceiling. But all right, let's go down. It isn't very fast, as you can see. That was a funny sound. All right. Hopefully got a good shot of that. And we're gonna get a neat little view. Geez, that gate could use some help. we're gonna go for, I don't know if you can send it. Can you send it? And we'll remember the call, or do I have to go upstairs? No, I have to go upstairs to call it. But we're gonna go upstairs and call it and watch it go from the outside. Wow, look at that. This is a really beautiful building. We'll get a view of the stairwell. Really neat. I think this is probably one of the prettiest buildings on the campus. Look at the old bell here. Oh, and look at that. Old Gentex alarm. Anyway, let's call the elevator. You can see the counterweight. Anyway, here we go. I'm trying to block the reflection from the light, but here comes the car. It's 2 to 1. Anyway, that's it.